extended bird dog. If you're not used to bird dog, then make sure you find the other bird dog video and do that first. So extended bird dog, you start in hand plank, hands under the shoulders, tuck the toes under. You lift opposite limbs, extend one arm forward and one leg back. With strong core, neutral spine. And change. And lift up. And try not to shift the body. If you look anything like this, then I would suggest probably not doing it and going back to the bird dog in a box plank first, because this one is super challenging, as you can probably see. Strong alignment, shoulders away, neutral spine, keep the tailbone lifting. Abs pulled in. Shoulder blades hugging the spine. All the muscles along the spine hugging the spine as well. Stay strong. Good luck.